To apply for the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website or going directly to the App Store on your mobile device. Search for Fifth Third Bank and select the mobile banking app to download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Enroll or Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide your account information, including your account number and social security number or tax identification number. Next, create a username and password for your mobile banking account, making sure to follow the guidelines for password strength and security. You will also be asked to set up security questions and answers to provide an additional layer of protection for your account. After completing the enrollment process, you will be able to log in to the app using your newly created username and password. From the app's main menu, you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and access other banking services. It is recommended to set up fingerprint or facial recognition login for added convenience and security. You can also customize your account settings and notifications to suit your preferences. To ensure the security of your account, always use a secure internet connection and keep your device and app up to date with the latest software and security patches. Never share your login credentials or account information with anyone, and monitor your account activity regularly for any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily apply for and start using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to manage your accounts and access a range of banking services on the go. The app is available for both personal and business accounts, and it provides a convenient and secure way to bank from anywhere, at any time.